Well, Thursday's looking a bit better. Even got patches of blue. A little bit of sun. It probably won't last, but hopefully it will. I'm out on the bike. No set place in mind, just out cruising. See where I go. Holy shit. Yeah, well, dickhead in the Toyota. Of course it's a Toyota driver. He's parked right on the end of the intersection. What a donkey. Just up on the roof. Just chilling out. Pretty good day actually. Out on the bike. Bit of walking as well. The sky's looking a bit dark now. Bit of rain coming in, starting to spit the rain. Tomorrow I think they're just saying a couple of morning showers or some morning rain. So hopefully it won't be too bad. I'll get back out again. I love getting out. It's good. Get out and about. Go down new streets. Find new things. Different smells and yeah, some tastes, different tastes here and there. Stop in for different food here and there. But yeah, that's Thursday. Friday tomorrow, obviously, because that comes after Thursday. We all know that. We all learnt that. But yeah, that'll be the week at the end of week 8. Bloody hell. And then another week begins. Ah, loving it. Just a bit of a shot over the new building going over there. They're going great guns over there with their construction. You can probably just make out there, centre of screen, that building which is facing west, picking up the afternoon sun on the windows. Glorious day. But it's going to get dark soon. Now I'm actually going out tonight. Yeah. I'm not going to jinx it. I'll let you know how it goes. So, Thursday night, I was bloody hungry, so I figured I'll get some pho. Well, it's a bun bar, and I asked for some spiced chilli, which I got, but the owner came out and he was tapping on the top of this jar that's come out of the fridge. It's his local homemade what do you call it, chili sauce. So I'll give that a whirl, because I do like a good bit of chili, as you know. So yeah, looking forward to it. I've put a bit in there, I've stirred it around, and we'll give it a go. Righto, I'll mix it all in. I'll just let it cool for a bit because it's piping hot. So I'll give it 5, and I'll get into it. It smells amazing, especially now I put that secret chili sauce in. Oh, here we go. Oh, righto. Well, I've demolished that. So between the sliced chili and the owner's homemade chili sauce / jam stuff, oh, needless to say, I don't reckon I'll have a blocked nose for the next 2 months. Oh, good for you. So yeah, I was correct. This is homemade. It lives in the fridge in the kitchen at the back. That's what they put in their broths for certain pho's and soups, and it was bloody tasty. Now there is a little sort of cut off plastic spoon in there. covered in chili. So I've learnt my lesson. Don't stick your fingers in your eyes after you grab something like that, because yeah, it'll end in tears, literally. But I'm wise to it now. Friday morning on the treadmill. Pretty breezy, pretty cloudy. A few surfers raving it out there. Yeah, it's nice and cool. Good breeze. Going for a scoot on the cycle. Just figured I'd do my end of week, Friday catch up, emails and stuff, in the relaxing atmosphere of these coconut trees. As long as nothing falls on my head, should be all good. Not that it would hurt, it's pretty thick scone this one. Setting up for some sort of event over there. Not sure what that is, but I'll find out. Friday afternoon now, it is 3:05. Traffic's starting to build up, as it does on a Friday arvo. I'll swap the bike for walking this time around. I just had a stopped in, got a haircut and shave, and put a jumper on. It's bloody cold. Yeah, get something to eat, I think. Time for some food, I reckon. Scoot down here and probably just go to the local spot. Get something to eat. Friday evening, it is 5:20. Pretty much wrapped up the day. Had something to eat. Had some fresh spring rolls, which were nice. I forgot to mention before, when I went and got my hair cut and my shave and stuff, I got my ears cleaned. Man, it felt good, like real good. It was almost like I've always been a fan of cleaning my ears. Like I don't know what it is. I love that feeling. It was orgasmic. Anyway, just thought I'd share. All right, yeah, nothing exciting planned tonight. So probably going to go to the cinema tomorrow, apparently. See a movie, I think it's called The Heist of the Century or something. Yeah, that'll be interesting. A cinema in Vietnam. I'll take you with me, of course. I won't film the movie, but yeah, I'll show you the cinema if I go. Weather's not too bad. Hasn't rained since early this morning. Still quite cool. Bit of cloud, but not too bad actually. Hopefully tomorrow is a nice day. Saturday morning, 8:45 AM. Out early this morning because there's no rain this morning. I don't know if you can see up there. That's my bicycle. I'm walking. I found a cycling buddy. Off to find a bike rental place for her. So, don't know where we're going to go. She said going up the mountain. I don't know about going up the mountain. Bloody hell. I'm not 25 anymore. Anyway, see how we go. It's better than sitting in the cinema anyway. Get out and about this morning. Let's see what happens this afternoon. So this thing they were setting up yesterday is this massive kids game thingy. 10 million kids here. Bloody noisy too. Well, we didn't find the hire bicycle, so we're back to walking. Today's catch. Another net coming in. Little tacker, his job's to put the rope in the boat. You're doing a great job. That net would be out of fairway, I'd say. Yeah, it's out of fairway. Well, the rain's still holding off, which is good. Actually, quite nice. Fishing boats in the bay. Not 100% sure where we're walking to, but I've got a bit of a feeling we're going to the Buddha. That's alright. Saturday evening. We didn't make it all the way to Buddha, which I'm sort of glad about. Yeah, Saturday evening is 5:30 and the rain's going to come back. Saturday done. So the 10 or so kilometre cycle to the Buddha didn't happen, so we couldn't get a rental cycle. So it turned into an 8k walk. We got to the bottom of the hill, that was it. Yeah. It's a long walk. Oh, it's a nice day though. Still a good day. Didn't get to the cinema. That's alright. We'll go another day. I'd rather be out and about anyway, rather than go to the cinema. I think it only rained once today too. It was good. Alright. Week 9 kicking off.